Whenever you receive a new email in your Gmail application, then it should automatically download and you should see this notification on your Gmail app so that you will know that you have received a new email. But if it does not happen, then let us see how to fix it. For that one, go ahead and open Gmail application. Tap on this menu option. Scroll down and go to settings. Now I have different Gmail addresses that I have used in this Android device. Now let me select any one of them which has the issue. Now scroll down. You can see there is an option here, data usage, and there is option sync Gmail, which is right now selected. Suppose if it is not selected, then what happens? You need to pull down from the top of your inbox to refresh and won't receive notification. So if you don't turn on this option, then what you have to do is, whenever you have to find if there is a new email or not, you have to go and you have to pull down the screen to refresh, and then you will find if there is a new email or not. So you have to make sure that the sync option under the data usage is always selected. One more time, you have to go to this menu option, settings, select the Gmail which has problem, and make sure that this option sync Gmail is selected. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.